What's up, guys? Today I'll be installing my rear springs, lowering springs. I won't be doing the front because I don't have the tools for that. I'm actually going to take it to a place and just have them do it for me. That's how I did it with the G37. I did the rear myself because it's really easy. Then the front I'll take them to do. These are cheap springs. They're 94 bucks, 97 bucks on eBay. Manzo. Yeah, Manzo. I have two of my friends running these and they said it's good, it drops good enough. So I'm gonna be taking off the back wheels and I'll show you guys what you need to take off. Alright guys, so I got my wheel off. The rear is very simple. You only need to remove one bolt, which is right here. It's a 17 mil. Make sure to have something holding on the nut on the back, or it's just gonna be spinning. So just take that off real quick. Alright guys, so I got the bolt off, real easy. Now this, just get something up. So I go through on camera without. There you go. Just, I don't know, put it down with your foot and get it out. Real easy. Alright guys, once it's off, just get the spring you got. Make sure to put these little rubbers from your old spring to the new one. Just like I did. This goes in the bottom, the other one goes in the top. And I'm gonna put that on. Alright guys, it's on. Now for this, to put it back, either if you're doing it alone, you're going to need a jack for sure. You put a jack right on the bottom to jack this up so you can realign this. Because if you don't have a jack, you won't be able to do it with your hands. Trust me, it's at least I can't. So the easiest way, just get a jack. You can control it, put it up till you align this, put the bolt, and you're good. So I'm actually gonna go get a jack now. All right guys, I got it on. Like I said, real easy. And that's what I mean, get a jack so you can lift this up and line up that bolt. That's it. Now we're gonna do the next wheel. Should be as easy as this, hopefully. Alright guys, once again, just remove the 17 mil bolt. It will all come off. Again, put the rubbers on the old one. Here's the difference between the stock and the ones I bought. Maybe like an inch and so. You can see the difference. So let's slap these on. Alright guys, got the wheels in. Everything's good. Here it is. Has a pretty decent drop. It didn't have such a big drop like I thought it was gonna have, like the H&R springs. When I installed the H&R springs in my G37, it dropped a lot. But I mean, I'm just gonna run some fatter tires because right now I think I'm running 245. Let me see. I'm running, 245s. I don't know, maybe put some like 275s in there, 295s to take care of that gap right there. It's not huge, but whatever. And I think tomorrow I'm leaving work early so I can put the front ones on. I'm taking them to the same place I took them last time, Fitment Gurus. I forgot how much they charged me last time. I think it was 100 bucks. 100, 120, I don't know. But yeah, I don't have the tools to do that, so, and I don't want to buy a freaking spring compressor or whatever, so I'll just take it to them. And I really don't want to get rid of those tires because they're so grippy. I hook from a 20 like nasty with these tires. They're really grippy. Alright guys, but that's it for this video.